Welcome. Today, we're exploring one of the most important and most missing microbes in the modern body. This forgotten bacterium is absent in about 96% of people today, but restoring it brings incredible benefits. Youthful energy, muscle preservation, better mood, smoother skin, deeper sleep, stronger empathy, and more. We'll cover the science, why we've lost it, top benefits, and a simple home method to make a high-potency version. This could be a game changer. Let's dive in. First isolated in 1962 from breast milk, once common, now rare. Early research helped infants. Breakthrough animal studies stayed youthful, slender, thick fur, playful, faster wound healing, higher testosterone/growth hormone, restored thymus gland. Human experiences match. Smoother skin, muscle/strength gains, improved mood/empathy, vivid dreams, deeper sleep. Unique ability, colonizes upper small intestine, produces natural antibiotics, fights SIBO, keystone species, helps rebuild healthy microbiome community. Modern antibiotics wipe it out. Even one course years ago can eliminate it permanently. Other factors, glyphosate exposure, processed diets, reduced breastfeeding. Result, epidemic SIBO, chronic inflammation, hormone imbalances, accelerated aging, rising autoimmunity/mood issues/muscle loss. Approximately 96% lack it. Explains many modern health struggles. Oxytocin surge, love hormone. Deeper connections, less irritation, better relationships, empathy boost. Muscle and strength, significant gains plus preservation, counters age-related loss. Youthful traits, smoother/thicker skin, better hair, less sagging. Hormonal support, higher testosterone, bone density, growth hormone. Mood and sleep, calmer mind, deeper rest, vivid/childlike dreams. Gut health, reduces SIBO, bloating, improves digestion/absorption. Real stories, more affectionate, interested in others, hunter's calm focus. Commercial probiotics, too low counts for full effects. Ferment at home, 1,000-fold increase in potency. Simple 36-hour recipe ingredients. Probiotic capsule with the key strain. 1 to 2 tablespoons inulin. 1 quart half and half. Steps. Open capsule. Mix contents plus inulin with small amount half and half smooth paste. Add remaining half and half. Stir well. Pour evenly into yogurt maker jars. Add water to maker base. Set to approximately 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Ferment 36 hours. Cool in fridge. Dose and tips. Half a cup daily. Rich, tangy taste. Add berries if needed. Variations. Coconut milk, hummus, salsa. Store fridge, last weeks. Start slow if gut sensitive. Benefits build over weeks. This lost keystone microbe drives youthfulness across body systems. Muscle, skin, mood, hormones, gut. Modern life wiped it out, but you can reclaim it with simple fermentation. Potential game changer for aging gracefully and vibrant health. Your thoughts? Trying the recipe? Comment below. See you next time.